solder, some tips, 5 tips, a little holder. Gee, I don't know if that's going to hold it. A spanner, as usual. And the soldering iron itself. This one has got display this time. Let's undo it. I haven't tried it yet. Some wrap in it. See how long the cord is. Jeez, I think it's short in that one. Right, turn it on. That's off. Keep the box out of the way. Oh, there's the power button. Well, you have to put the power button in. Okay, I have to put the power button in. I don't know what temperature it's set at yet. This is the first time coming on. Oh, 346 degrees, whatever. Oh, it's on. See how quick it gets hot. Oh, it's hot already. Not bad. That was quick. This is a 90 watt soldering iron. My one was 60. That's not bad. It's smoky. My fan's on. Yeah, so I bought this one. Let's turn it down. I've got to my fan on. That's a bit smoky. Maybe this is down. Yeah, let's to turn it down. Damn, that is smoking. Yep. And see what that. Got to 30. Let's see what diest it goes up to. Can't get your finger on it. Can you? Oh, you can. 4. That's it, 480. Let's turn it back down, that's too much. I think 3. I'll put it at 3. I'll put it at 340. I think it's got a sleep function. When you're not using it, it turns itself off to save the element. I don't know. Okay, it's reached 340. See what happens when I put it on. When I put it in this is the stand what comes with it. Does it go like that way? No, it's definitely this way. Okay. Just want to see what happens when you put it down for a minute. See, does it go to sleep? Or do you have to set the settings to make it go to sleep? Yeah, the instructions are in there. Okay. Solder right in. Yeah. So what happens. Give it a couple of minutes and see what happens. Tip's not smoking, let's have a look. Is it still hot? Yeah, it's still hot. It's making the solder, no problem. So it's a bit smoky. My fan's not on yet. All my fan's busted. Go for the sleep function or so. That was it. Can't remember, it might not be in this one. I was looking at 2. When I had the sleep function, we're not using it, it turned itself off. But I thought this one had it as well. That's, like I said, what you expect for 18 quid. All this. It's a nice little thin solder. Yeah, that's what I needed. Because I got this one. And this one. That's smaller. This is my best one so far. This one, I don't know, I haven't really tried it properly yet. It's a bit too thick for me, but this is nice and thin. And like I said, press and see. But no, it's not going to sleep. Can I just turn it off from here? So I want to press the button. Holding it in. Oh yeah, switching off. Why does it stay like that? I don't know. Let's put it down and see what happens. Let's display this stay like that. Maybe. Let me say cool. Get how fast it gets cool. Still hot. Let me clean my tip. See, with my one, I used to slam it in there, but as this is a nice new one, I don't want to. It's still hot. Smelling the solder, no problem. Still. Yeah, like I said, if I can find a part, that little whatever that was called, I'll place the trace in there, and in case this breaks, at least I got something. I don't care if it don't last long. Like I said, it lasted me for 3 years. I did have it on for long sometimes. Sometimes I forget to switch it off and go out, and it's on for a couple of hours till I come home. But yeah, it lasted. It wasn't bad. Not bad for £12 or whatever. £12.95 or something from eBay. I bought this one from Amazon though. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you when you're soldering iron. I'll catch you on the next fix if I can. Next time I'm going to try and fix my Roku. I plugged the wrong power supply in. I'm waiting for a spare part. I bought a broken Roku off a, well, it ain't a Roku. It's a Now TV box. I mean, little box Now TV. Because Roku make Now TV boxes and they're exactly the same inside. So I bought a broken one for £8 with a pass, a monthly pass as well for £8. No, £7, £7.15. So hope that comes today, and then we'll try and fix my Roku.